Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, or I should say unbagging, of these Crocs flip-flops in black. I go through about one pair a year, but I wear them a lot. I wear them all summer and winter. So from here, I'll open these up so you can see exactly how they'll come into you here. Looks like they're right off the shelf there. And I want to go through a few things that I really like about the Crocs flip-flops. And first of all, they have a nice solid tread on the bottom here, so you're less likely to slip. Now on the reverse side, as you're walking, a lot of times your feet will get kind of sweaty, and from here you can see there's little nubs in there that help to keep your foot in place. The other thing I really like about these is right here. A lot of times when your toes are in here, a lot of flip-flops, these are really hard plastic. This is a really nice, solid piece of rubber, and it doesn't irritate my toes. I really like that. And also, up here, those are kind of the two areas where a lot of flip-flops will irritate your foot. And once again, these are kind of a soft but yet solid rubber there as well. And like I said, I go through a pair of these each season, and this is my third or fourth pair in black, and absolutely love these. They're comfortable, and they look good with jeans, with shorts. They're pretty versatile.